Hello, everyone. This is Liz, the showroom manager here at Abbey Carpet Gallery here in Davenport. We are continuing our video series today of coffee and questions with our owner, Bill Daly. And our topic today is, what are some of the benefits of choosing our team here at Abbey Carpet Gallery?
Why us? That's a great question. And I'm sure that's a question that people ask around a dinner table or out with their friends or what have you. What have you heard? Well, Abbey Carpet Gallery is proud to say that we have an amazing reputation in the Quad Cities and surrounding communities. It's not something that was developed overnight. It was developed one happy customer at a time. So why us? Well, what you get when you choose Abbey Carpet Gallery every day, all day, never ending, is several things that we give to you for free. The first is a no obligation measure and site assessment. It's pretty hard for us here in the store to put things together and give you the best advice when we don't know what your house looks like, how things are positioned, traffic in the room, colors, etc. So we do that. We draw it up. We have it all back here at the store so that when you're in the store, we can put that together. When you're in the store, we do a free design audit and consultation. It's not uncommon for us to consider paint colors, plumbing fixtures when we're doing showers, countertops, cabinets, other colors and furniture that are going on the house or on in the house, or maybe you're purchasing some new furniture as well. We can help pull all that together. And lastly, we give you a free product and labor quotation. So you're going to know exactly what this project is going to cost. And that's just the beginning.
Well, thank you, Bill, very much for answering these important factors of why choosing our team at Abbey Carpet Gallery is so important. If you all have any questions that you would like us to answer for you before coming into our showroom, please leave them in the comments below or give us a call at our showroom. Thank you, Bill.
Welcome home to Abbey.